Welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Drawing Assist feature on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So the first step is to ensure that the feature is currently enabled. So to do that, you're going to navigate to your Settings app. Once you're in your Settings app, you're going to scroll and select Galaxy AI. And then from here, you're going to look for the option Drawing Assist and you're going to select it. Once you've selected it, you just need to tap on the toggle like that to successfully enable the feature. Now you can start using this feature on your tablet. So go ahead and just remove the S Pen from the back of the tablet. And then from here, you should see the Air Command icon appearing on your screen. Tap on it. And then you should see the option Drawing Assist listed in the list of options. Select it. From here, you can now start using this assistive feature. So you should see the different styles that are available for you, as well as the different mediums. You have the option to write in text. You have the option to use an image from your gallery app as a way to use it as a sketch to image preview. And you have the option of just describing whatever it is exactly that you want. And then you can scroll through the different sides and choose the type of art style you want the image to be in. Whether you want it to be as a sketch or a 3D cartoon or even an oil painting. So it's up to you to decide which option you would prefer and then just type in whatever it is that you want. So for example, you can choose to sketch a football. So just type in the prompt. And then just select generate. Once you've done that, simply wait for the image to be generated. And then you can see the image has been successfully generated. If you don't like how it looks like, then you can always choose to just tap on generate one more and it should give you an alternative from the one that it's just given you. You can even choose to select a different medium while still maintaining the same prompt. So you can go ahead and select a different medium, select generate one more time, and it will give you something the same prompt in a different medium. If you want to share it, you can always just tap on this share button that appears in this toolbar here. If you want to copy it, you can tap on copy. If you want to save it to the gallery, you can tap on this download icon. And if you want to add stickers, you can just tap on that icon and you can now transform it into a sticker. You'll also notice that you can swipe through the different options that you're normally given during the generation. So this is just one of the images out of the 4 that were created from the other generations. So if you want to see how they all look like when you compare them, you can just swipe through the different options. If you want to generate a new image, then you can always just go all the way back to the beginning. And then when you get to this Get Creative page, you can just enter in a new prompt and have a new image generated. And so that's how you can use the Drawing Assist feature on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. If you have any questions or comments about this process, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.